The Scout Rocket Pocket/Pocket Rocket Tote is a utility bag built for busy people, moms, teachers, nurses, travelers, with multiple exterior pockets, a zippered interior and 2 sets of straps for hand or shoulder carry. It's a practical, work tote that folds flat for storage and prioritizes organization. In a video script, the best angle is a day-in-the-life demo. Show how the pockets handle a water bottle, phone, keys, pens, and a small tablet, and point out how the flat fold saves space when storing spares. As always, price and color options vary by seller, so check the buy link in the description before you buy. We share buy links in description box. Features and handling. The listing highlights a roomy interior, around 15 inches by 14.5 inches by 5 inches in many descriptions, multiple exterior pockets for quick access, and durable woven fabric construction. For a filmed segment, show pocket count, the zip closure, strap comfort, and the way the bag stands or collapses. Customers repeatedly say it's lightweight yet surprisingly roomy, perfect as a grab-and-go utility tote. Helpful callouts. Show the bag with typical items, lunch, notebook, sanitizer, chargers, to prove practical capacity. Customer feedback. Pros and cons. Pros are utility, organization, durability for daily carry, and multiple pocket options. Cons include tightening/strap comfort for heavier loads for some users and color fading reported by very heavy use. Overall, this is an easy recommendation for viewers seeking an inexpensive work or travel tote that keeps small items neatly separated. Check the direct buy link in the description for the latest price and seller options. We share buy links in description box.